another lovely hula dancer out there. The beautiful Sai. I don't know if I think maybe you danced before, but that's okay. We're gonna stay you again. I think the last time I played for her was in Japan somewhere, many years ago. Under the late great Kumu, Auntie Aloha. Pull this one out of the archives. Yeah. Oh wow.
This is another song written by one of our favorites, Frank Kawaikapuokalani Hewett. And this song speaks of the sisterhood of Pele and Hiʻiaka Pele. Hiʻiaka Pele was Pele's youngest sister, who she assigned the task of retrieving Pele's lover from the island of Kauai. So she sent her sister Hiʻiaka, she was the only one she trusted with this task, sent her on this adventure throughout the islands. She had to go to all of the different islands, and she had to go to Kauai and retrieve her lover Lohiʻau and bring him back to her. The way was wrought with many dangers, many adventures. She encountered many things that she had to overcome, and she did go to. She got Lohiʻau, and I found out he was dead. So she brought him back to life, and then he died again. She brought her back to life. At that point, I would have been like, forget it, I'm over, I'm going home, right? But no, she did her duty as a good sister. And but this, of course, took a long time. This took many days. And so Pele, being Pele, grew very impatient and imagined the worst. She was already a very jealous person, but she was thinking, why is she taking so long, and why is Lohiʻau here, and what's happening? Imagining the worst, as we women sometimes do. She was convinced that they had become lovers themselves, and so the one thing that Hiʻiaka had asked her sister, had asked Pele to do, the one thing she said, I will do this for you, but you have to promise me that you will leave my beautiful Lehua groves alone. You're not going to mess with them, and you will leave my good friend Mopoi alone, and just leave it at that. And Pele said, of course, no problem. Of course, as the days go by, Pele gets angry, jealous, and so she destroys Hiʻiaka's beautiful forest. She destroys her friend. And so finally, when Hiʻiaka gets back with Lohiʻau in tow, and they never did nothing, okay? It was good. She was good. And
Never even hold hands.
Never hold hands. She went above and beyond, okay? But she gets back and she finds her forest destroyed, and she is distraught. And she says in the song that Frank wrote, she says, Haʻihaʻi pua lehua I ka manaʻe. All I am left with are these little bits of lehua blossoms. And so it's a sad song, but it also speaks of this great love between sisters and the things that you would do for Ohana. Oh, I don't know if I can do that, but you have to. All power to her. And just to finish off the story, yeah, so she would go kiss him at the end, just to make Pele mad. I think she deserved that.
Aloha.
That's good practice. We never seen that in a long time.
Yeah, he practiced for us. Yeah. I remember.